Want to check the real trim and options of any US car by VIN in just 60 seconds and find out if the seller is overcharging you? In this video, you'll find out what a window sticker is, why it's a total game changer when buying a car from the US, and how to get a window sticker by VIN online in under a minute, with full factory options, original MSRP, and every package listed. If you've ever searched for a car at an auction, chances are you've faced one or more of these problems. 1. You're worried the car doesn't match the description. The seller calls it a fully loaded package, but once the car arrives, there's no heated seats, no backup camera, no cruise control. Without checking, you risk buying a base model at a premium price. 2. VIN checks won't show you factory options. You might get the trim name, but what does that really mean? Which features came standard from the factory, and which ones were added later by the first owner? Without the original window sticker by VIN, you're left guessing, digging through forums, comparing specs manually, and still not being 100% sure. 3. It's hard to understand how the price is set. Is the price fair or way too high? Some sellers list base trims at top-tier prices. Others might offer premium versions at a great deal. But without the details, you'd never know. 4. Comparing two cars is a headache. Without a window sticker, it's hard to see what's actually included and what you're really paying for. 5. Hidden premium options are easy to miss. In the US, buyers often add pricey upgrades when ordering from the dealer: premium interiors, upgraded sound systems, advanced tech. These extras can add up to 30% to the car's original value, but standard VIN decoders won't show them. Only the original window sticker shows all factory-installed options and dealer-ordered packages. Without it, you might not even realize you're looking at a high-value vehicle, or miss out on a great deal. The Monroney Label is the only document that shows you exactly what you're getting. It instantly highlights the difference between two look-alike cars, so you can spot when a seller's inflating the price or actually offering a solid deal. And the best part? You don't have to dig through forums or guess what's included. Just enter a VIN at CarFast Express, and with our window sticker lookup by VIN, you'll get a full breakdown of every factory option, package, and feature installed on the vehicle. A side-by-side comparison of 2 to 3 cars, so you can clearly see which one gives you the most value, and make a confident decision without the guesswork. Let's look at a real-world example. Two 2017 Audi Q7s. On the outside, they look identical. Same year, same engine, same drivetrain, same trim. But check out the auction prices. One sold for $16,000, the other for $21,000. And both listings claim things like fully loaded and top of the line. But once you check the window stickers, it all makes sense. The 16K model has a basic trim with no premium upgrades. The 21K one comes fully loaded. Tech packages, upgraded multimedia, and luxury finishes. The factory price difference, nearly $11,000. And that gap is 100% justified. All thanks to those premium options. If you only looked at the price, you'd go for the cheaper one, thinking you got a great deal. But in reality, you'd be overpaying for a stripped-down version and missing out on features you could have had for the same budget. That's why the window sticker is your #1 tool when buying a car from the US. Want to get these reports instantly by VIN? Our service delivers them in under a minute. No manual searches, no decoding, no spreadsheets. Just enter the VIN and instantly see exactly what you're buying. The link to get your window sticker is right below in the description. Run a check on any car right now and buy with confidence.